Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your LCD screen that's in your console. You got a whoop, hit the wiper blades here. One second here. If you got an LCD screen and this is on a Ford and they are on this particular one is the same for the Ford Focus and the Ford Escape 2000, and this particular model is a 2016. First thing you gotta do is loosen the steering column the release lever so you can pull the steering wheel down so you can get to the cover that's right here on top of the steering column, the flap right here. Once you get the steering column locked down out of your way, then you're going to gently pull out on this plastic cover right here with this gauge housing. They're just one-way clips that just snap in, so if you pull backwards they'll snap and release. Alright guys, you got that cover out of the way. Then you have two screws, one right there in that corner and one right over there in that corner, and they're 1/4 inch, and you remove them and you can pull out this gauge cluster. Alright guys, we got those two screws removed. Now we can simply just gently pull the gauge cluster right forward and it'll slide right out. Alright guys, like I said, with just a little bit of pressure it'll slide right forward. Then you can reach right up to the back side of it here, and you can get to the plug. It's right there on the back of the monitor, and there is a little clip that you have to see if I can get in here and show you all. There is a little clip, if I can get in there to it. There's a little clip right there you got to squeeze in to release this clip. Let's see if I can get it here while I'm showing you all. Alright guys, see if I can show you here at this angle. The clip right there, it flips forward. You got to press down on this tab to get that clip to rotate forward, and then the plug just wiggles up off, and then gently rotate the cluster. And you can pull the gauge cluster out. And that is how you remove the gauge cluster so you can replace your LCD screen. If you find this video useful, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.